Hello everyone, so today we are back with another case study for the cosmetic bags products. So please stay with us in this video and we will let you know how we have generated almost $200,000 in terms of sale after spending $40,000 in terms of the ad spend. This brand deals with cosmetic bags. The aim of the brand in the beginning was to build brand awareness and increase sales. So how we have started, they had a website but they were looking to help to grow their business, build a brand and improve sales. We suggested Google Ads to increase brand awareness and sales and sent a proposal on how much traffic they could expect under a certain budget. They liked our proposal, our strategy, so then we took charge of their Google Ads account. We have started by setting up their Google Ads account from scratch, as they were new to this process of building a brand, so we had to guide them through each step and take everything on our shoulders to get things done in a timely and the accurate manner. To start, we set up a Google Merchant Center and then do the optimization of our feed. This way our shopping ads would be more effective. As a shopping website, we knew that a shopping campaign would be the best way to reach our target audience for the online shoppers. We were able to reach our target audience more effectively. Once we set up the merchant center and then the product feed, we started building dedicated campaign for each product category. Then for each product, this allowed us to target our ads more accurately and then to get the better results. We then conducted market research on the competition to help us understand what areas they excel in and where there might be opportunities for improvement that we could capitalize on for our marketing campaigns. We built a search campaign structure designed to put them at the top of relevant search results. So after doing the analysis of our audiences behave differently, we decided to split our campaigns between age groups. This allows us to better understand the performance of each age group behavior and adjust our strategies accordingly. As a result, we could actually see the top performing ad groups and we can push more spend towards it and reduce our spend to the non-performing areas. We then started to do the A/B testing on our website to improve conversion rates by optimizing aspects such as checkout, website speed and content. This was in response to noticing that although many people visited the website and showed interest in our product, not all of them who visited ended up making a purchase. We know that not everyone is searching for the same keywords, which is why we started different display campaigns. This campaign targets relevant audiences who are most likely to buy our products, even if they are just not actively searching for them. We have seen great results in terms of the brand awareness, which had helped us to improve our brand keyword searches. So now, after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and running the campaign for the few months, we have been able to generate almost $200,000 in terms of sale with the ROAS of 15 plus and spending within like $15,000 in terms of the ad spend. Please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon.